Today is February 12th. I just got home from work and I'm taking a look at what Steve got done in the afternoon. So this area that I'm focused on now is the doorway. And there's going to be a window on the right hand side and also one on the left. He's got the corner braces all up. And this other side there's going to be 3 windows equally spaced. So there's 3 bays there for that. And the next part that he's going to be working on next, I'm assuming, is the knee wall, which is going to come up about 30 inches from the bottom of the floor. So the knee wall will come all the way across with the exception of the opening for the door. And the windows will be mostly the top 2/3 of these framed out areas. So he's well on his way to getting this done. Today is February 13th. I just got out of work, coming in the back here to check on Steve's progress, and he's got the window openings framed up, and he's got the sill plates for the windows attached. So our knee wall will be about 30 inches up from the floor to the top of those openings, and up here is the top headers for the top of the window. Now if I switch over to this side, this is where the door is in the middle. He's got the 2 knee wall sections and the windows framed up. He still needs to do the very tops of both sides on the left and the right, similar to how he's got these done on the top. And once that's done, I imagine he'll be ready to start putting the plywood in on the outside of the knee walls. After he gets that done, then we have Tyvek to put up, and then the windows, and then insulation on the cavities, and then some fastenings on the inside to cover up the inside interior. So it's looking really good, and he's making some great progress. Here's what it looks like on his command post, all his cordless tools and his chop saw, and he's got some materials up there, some scraps, and we moved the torpedo heater to the inside here so he can run that at a comfortable height, because I was telling him when he was going to work down in the bottom there to do the knee wall, I wanted to give him a little more room and clearance to work, and I'd have the torpedo heater hitting right on that raw wood where it could start a fire. So we moved it over here where it's a little more in the open. So this is his workstation. So you can see on the left is the torpedo heater. Also got him a cordless radio right here, this DeWalt unit here. He can sync that with his phone and play some music. Hopefully that music overpowers the noise from this heater. Here's kind of how it has kind of like a roar to it. And there's our firewood there in the middle, and the extra propane tank, and all this equipment. So it's looking really good. We'll keep you updated as we progress on this project.